I'm Tom Dixon. I'm the Vice President of Marketing for DTS Incorporated. We're based out of Agora Hills, and we're here in Paris to have a basically press open house where we can showcase our new technologies, DTS Surround Sensation, and let the press experience all our new technologies in a very comfortable living room environment. And basically what it is a surround processing technology we developed in the last year that gives a very realistic surround effect out of just two speakers or headphones. And a lot of questions are people saying DTS has always been the champion of discrete 5.1 audio, and with DTS-HD Master Audio 7.1 channel audio. I think really it's a question of timing. The time was right for us to launch these products. One, we've come out with a better way of doing it. It's better sound quality, better performance. And two, it's time for us to really give a broader base of consumers a taste of DTS high-performance technologies, most likely in the laptop and PC area. DTS Surround Sensation is a post-processing software. So basically it takes multi-channel music and gives you a surround effect out of two speakers or stereo. This could be anywhere on any kind of product. So it could be in possibly headphones. It could be in a DVD player or a Blu-ray player. It could be incorporated in an AV receiver. The first applications you're going to see, and the most natural, are in laptop computers and in PC computer systems, and also coming out in high-definition plasma and LCD TVs.
Is it possible to upgrade an existing hardware to include the DTS Surround Sensation layer?
Sure.
Okay.
Both hardware and computer software applications.
Will the computer software will be available for free, or?
I think there's two different models. One would be where you have a software application, perhaps a DVD or Blu-ray software player application, and DTS could be marketed as a sort of a plug-in software for a particular price. The other model is where we are bundled in a value-added multimedia package that you see out there, the gold and premium models. The third application would be, this could be in the motherboard, or basically in the architecture of the OEM PC when you buy the computer.
So it will be like integrated in Vista?
In applications such as that.
But more in applications than on operating systems?
Correct. There's two different things. The OEM computer company would basically request that in somewhere in the software chain, whether it's the operating system or it's the software player. Again, there's a lot going on in the PC industry. It's very dynamic right now, but we have interest in all of those areas from licensees. The neat thing that DTS is bringing to the party now, and the reason we're getting into that, is that there is a paradigm shift owing in the PC business, which is huge, and it's the migration from DVD-based computer drives to Blu-ray high-definition drives. So the PC industry is really looking at this as an opportunity to not just sell PC devices, but to sell high entertainment devices. And in this situation, DTS plays a pivotal role in that we are in the Blu-ray spec standard. So any product, whether it's a set-top box player, whether it is a gaming station, or a PC, if it has a Blu-ray drive, we're a mandatory audio format that they have. Now what we've done is expanded our offerings, and we offer really truly premium audio codecs like DTS-HD Master Audio, and also Surround Sensation, as well as transcoders and other kind of products that we're offering. So we have a whole suite of products we offer the PC industry, and from our meetings in the last several months, the response has been very, very enthusiastic from all channels of distribution in the PC space.
When will it be available, the Surround Sensation, for example?
I think you're going to see it very soon.
Like 6 months or?
I think you're going to see it very soon in both the AV space and in the PC space. We were showing prototype software at CES, and I don't think it's any secret how timings, product launch timings come out. I would expect going forward through this year, you're going to be seeing major press releases from us monthly and almost on a weekly basis on licensees launching this technology.
So, Tom Dixon, would you tell us about what's happening with DTS-HD Master Audio and High Definition codecs?
Well, DTS-HD Master Audio has experienced a very rapid and aggressive expansion in the audio-video space. Last fall, we saw the introduction of Master Audio into all the major AV brands, Yamaha, Onkyo, Pioneer, Sony, Marantz, Harman Kardon, Onkyo, Denon, and not only just one or two high-end models, but models starting as low as 350 pounds on up. So we expect to see that expand into lower-priced receivers and also start going into those home theater in a box products at some affordable prices. But the big news we have is our very, very strong expansion going through the rest of the year of having Master Audio decoding inside the Blu-ray disc device. This last week, there was a long-awaited upgrade of the PS3 to include Master Audio decoding internally. So now the 10 million plus PS3 owners out there can simply hook an Ethernet connection into their PS3, and in 30 to 40 minutes, voila, they can magically have DTS-HD Master Audio have a download firmware upgrade onto their PS3. And as you heard earlier in our demonstrations, we did just that several days ago, and we're running demonstrations on Master Audio. So we're excited about that, as are the tens of millions of Sony PS3 owners. On top of that, we expect to see DTS-HD Master decoding in all of the main branded set-top box players. So you think of the major brands in audio and video. Our expectation is over the course of the year going forward, you're going to see announcements from all the top brands. So we're really excited about this.
And I've heard that there will be another upgrade of the PS3 in the coming months.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of questions about, from some journalists, a little confusion. When is the DTS going to be streamed out through the PS3? That would require a change of the HDMI chip, which is a hard chip in the Sony player. Again, we're not privy to when that's going to happen from Sony Electronic Corporation. However, with upgrading DTS-HD Master Audio decoding in the player, it's sort of a moot point because a consumer can easily decode it and send it out in a linear PCM out of their existing HDMI port, and basically it can be played with any receiver that has an HDMI input.